Hey, this is Ronnie. Today I'm performing a brake system flush on a 2010 Jeep Wrangler. So I went ahead and went into my local Autozone, picked up a few things I needed, which includes a vacuum pump from their free loaner tool program. Also some brake fluid and some other general shop supplies. For a full list of what's needed to complete this job, check the description below. First step is to make sure the engine is off, it is cool, and I'm gonna get it jacked up and get going. In order to prepare myself for any possible spills, got some absorbent pads to put down first. Very simple process. Find the caliper for this from the master cylinder, which is the right rear. Find the bleeder screw, which has a rubber cap on it usually. Open it up. Might see a couple drips come out. It's kind of good practice to go ahead and change your brake fluid first before you even do this, so you got clean fluid to start with to draw through the system. I got my vacuum pump. I'm going to go ahead and start pumping. I'm going to pull the dirty fluid from the master cylinder all the way through until I see clean fluid come out down here. Old brake fluid likes to attract moisture. And actually, all brake fluid likes to attract moisture. Moisture in the system internally is bad. It'll corrode all your components from the inside out. So this is good practice. Come up front to top it off after all that flushing. All right. Our fluid's looking a lot cleaner now. If I could dump this out. I've got my bleeder closed off. Put my little cap back on the bleeder. Repeat the steps throughout the vehicle. At each caliper, I'll make sure I top off the master cylinder as needed. Okay, one last thing I'll do is jump back in the Jeep and check the pedal. Every time you service your brakes, I don't care what you're doing, you check the pedal last. All right, brake pedal feels great. Nice and firm right where it should be. This concludes how to flush your brake system. For more helpful videos, like and subscribe.